What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Rich of Review Tech USA, and today is Thursday, December 8th, 2011. And all of you Nintendo fanboys can loosen your ass cheeks again. Miyamoto is not stepping down from his position, so they say. Nintendo has offered reassurance that legendary designer Shigeru Miyamoto is remaining with the company in his existing role. In a recent interview, Miyamoto discussed retiring from his current position to create smaller, more personal projects for Nintendo. Shortly after the publication of that news, Nintendo told Reuters that the report was the result of a misunderstanding. Today, Nintendo of America expanded on that statement. They went on to say that video game designer Shigeru Miyamoto's role at Nintendo is not changing. He will continue to be a driving force in Nintendo's development efforts. In discussing his priorities at Nintendo in a media interview, Mr. Miyamoto explained how he is encouraging the younger developers at the company to take more initiative and responsibility for developing software. He attempted to convey his priorities moving forward, inclusive of overseeing all video game development and ensuring the quality of all products. I still say it's damage control, but I'll continue. Mr. Miyamoto also discussed his desire to pursue fresh ideas and experiences of the kind that sparked his initial interest in video games. Miyamoto's career stands alone in the gaming industry. The creator of iconic franchises like Mario, Donkey Kong, and Zelda received a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Game Developers Choice Awards in 2007 and was the first inductee in the Academy of Arts and Sciences Hall of Fame in 1998. You want to know what I think? I'm not saying I'm right, I'm not Dionne Warwick, but I think two things. One, Nintendo just pulled an Apple. Don't get it twisted, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with Shigeru Miyamoto's health, but they're covering up for their star player so shareholders don't freak out. Remember how everyone was commenting on how Steve Jobs was looking gaunt and thin and sickly, and the Apple damage control police would come, "Oh yeah, he's just a little under the weather though, he's fine, and people were like, "Why does he look so thin?" And they're like, "Oh, he just got a penis implant, he's alright, he's just doing great, he's just recovering from having a bigger dick." That's not really what happened, but that's funnier, so enjoy it. And the second thing is that I think he had intentions on leaving, and when Nintendo shareholders and upper management got a whiff of it, they were like, no, don't leave, please, don't leave, please. Please wait for a couple years after the Wii U comes out, please, we need you, God. Because Nintendo is not really healthy right now. The Wii is totally stalled in sales, the 3DS did not do as well as they had hoped, and right now Nintendo is hemorrhaging money, and if their star player left, they would be screwed. I mean, think about it. His name is just as important as the products he comes out with. And if that name is not behind Nintendo, it would definitely hurt them. And unlike Apple, when Steve Jobs passed away, Nintendo is not in great shakes right now. Apple's doing fine, Nintendo is not. So if Shigeru Miyamoto stepped down now, it could be a fatal blow for Nintendo. So what I'm also predicting is that he probably got convinced to stay around for a couple years after the Wii U is released, and once he sees the Wii U is stable, he is going to step down and retire from Nintendo. Maybe not retire completely, but he will step down from his current position. Like I said before, I could be wrong, but that's what I feel. I mean, come on, man. The guy's 60 years old. He's been doing this for over 30 years. He's accomplished. He's successful. He's tired. He wants to step down. And he deserves to. He's made awesome work. So anyway, what's your take on this? Do you think Nintendo is just doing damage control like I think? Or do you think Shigeru Miyamoto is here to stay? And even better yet, do you think Nintendo can survive beyond Shigeru Miyamoto? Make sure to rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and as always, thank you for supporting Review Tech USA. And yeah, I know I went back and forth from Miyamoto to Miyamoto, be quiet.
Learn to pronounce his name!
Learn to shut the hell up. Friggin' dorks.